we'll be making a miraculous tonic today. The ingredients we need for that is, I've taken amla here, 2 to 3 medium size amlas. I've de-seeded and chopped it here. And this size ginger, I washed it and peeled the skin, and I've taken like maybe 9 cloves of garlic, and then I've taken a small piece of rock salt, and then we need honey for this. I've taken raw or unfiltered honey. So since amla is in season now, I'm using amla. If amla is not in season, you can just skip amla and use the other ingredients. So the first thing I'm going to do is, in the blender, I'm going to put the ginger and the amla and make it into a paste. So here I have blended the amla and ginger into fine paste, and I'm going to strain it now. So I grinded the ginger and amla, the Indian gooseberry, and I've strained, and this is what the juice we got from it. Now I'm adding the rock salt to this. Usually with garlic, when you grind it, you cannot strain out of it, so you get the paste like this. There is a special way technique we could take the juice from garlic. I'll show you that, how to do it. So you take a piece of cotton cloth and then spread the paste like this. Now see, I've made the garlic paste and I've spread it on the cotton cloth of any size you prefer. Now see, I'm switching on the heat, keeping it very low, and now for just couple of minutes you just show it on the heat like this. Then the garlic juice starts coming out. See, you can already see the water dripping. So now it's ready. You can see the water is dripping, the garlic juice coming out. See, can you see the garlic juice coming out from the garlic? So this is the technique our sages, our siddhas have taught us, the way of extracting the juice from the garlic. So now we have the amla, ginger and the garlic juice here. I've strained everything, and then we have added couple of pinches of rock salt. I've got about almost 2/3 of a cup. So we have to mix this juice with equal amount of honey. So you can store this in a glass container, a mason jar like this, or airtight container. This stays well for almost 2-3 weeks. This is how the juice, the tonic looks like. So I have mixed equal quantities of honey and the juice extract from ginger, amla and garlic, and couple of pieces of rock salt. This is how it looks like. So this is a miraculous tonic. It helps in controlling your diabetes, hypertension. It helps in constipation. It also helps in indigestion. So if you have a weak digestion, or if you're not hungry, you can have this like every single day before meals. This also helps in anti-aging. Who doesn't want to look young, right? So we can take this like every single day, early in the morning, empty stomach. This is a immune booster, so it helps to fight against the viruses and bacteria. That's why we call this as a miraculous tonic.